Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to automate data entry form using Microsoft Excel. So actually this is very simple. So I will explain you step by step how to do this. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So what you should do first is you need to open Microsoft Excel. Then you can see this kind of interface. To create this automate data entry form, I use small VBA code. So therefore, first of all, you need to save your Microsoft workbook as a macro-enabled workbook. So how to save your workbook as a macro-enabled one? What you should do is you need to click on the File tab, then go to Save As. Then select a desired location. Now I select desktop. Then here you can see under the save as type, you need to select macro enabled template. So this is the thing you should select. So here under the file name, you can give any desired name. Now I saved my Excel workbook as a macro enabled one. So that is the thing you should do first. So in this case, the next step is you need to rename your sheet 1. So here you need to rename this sheet 1 as form. So here I am going to design my data entry form. So the first cell, A1 cell or the first row is for form heading. So I am going to enter a heading for my form data entry form. So now I'm going to increase the font size. Then I want to change my font type to Times New Roman. Then I'm going to bold my form name or form heading name. Now I am going to add labels for my form. So the first label is name, then the second label is date, then the third label is product, then the final form label is amount. Now these are the fields, these are the labels I'm going to add my form. I'm going to design my form like this. So this is the form design. Okay. Now I'm going to add another sheet. So I can add another sheet or sheet 2 by clicking this plus mark. And I'm going to rename newly added sheet to database. So I renamed sheet 2 to database. Now I have two sheets, form and the database. So here I am going to add my table. So the first column of my table is name, then the date, second column, third one, product, then the fourth one, amount. Yes, I designed my database part and I designed my table. So this is the way our data saved from form to table. I have a data entry form like this. It has 4 fields: name, date, product, and amount. And this is the database part. So this is the backend part. This is the place where data is stored after adding data from this data entry form. Now I want to go to VBA window or VBA mode. To do that, I need to do this. What should I do? You need to click or press Alt plus F11. So once you click Alt plus F11, you can see this kind of VBA window or VBA editor. So here, next thing is I need to add a module. To add a module, you need to click on the insert, then select module. Then you have a new module like this. By pressing Ctrl S, you can save your module. So I have pre-written code to save your time. So I'm going to copy and paste my pre-written code to this module one by one. Then I'll explain you theory behind that. So this is the pre-written code. Now I am going to copy this part. After that, these are the sheet references. So here now I am going to copy and paste. Then, so this will find the empty row in database, and this is to transfer data from form to table. So once you enter the data, this will clear the form, and after that, this message box. After that, this message box will pop up saying that form submitted successfully. So this is the last part. So this is the total VBA code for this automated data entry form. Now save the process, then close the VBA window. Now I want to add a form control or a command button to send data from this form to backend or a database table. So to do that, I need to add a command button. To add a command button, just click on the developer tab, then select design mode. After that, you need to click on the insert. So there you need to draw a command button from form controls. So select a command button and draw like this. After that, this kind of message box or a window or a dialog box will pop up. So there you need to select the submit form function. So I have written this submit form function in VB editor. So I have included a module. Then I'm going to select that macro or a submit form function from this dialog box and press OK. So here you can change the caption of your command button. Now our data entry form look like this. Now save the process. Now I am going to add some sample data. France, Soka. Then the date is January 2025. Product, this is sari. Amount 6,950. Now I am going to add this record. To add the record, you need to click on the add button. So once you click on the add button, what happens? Click on the add button, a message box pop-ups, form submitted successfully. Then you need to press OK. Then I'll go to the backend part or database part. Then you can see our record has successfully updated to our table like this. Now I am going to add another record. This kind of message box appeared. Then go to the database tab. Then you can see our second record has successfully updated to our database table or a backend table. Now finally, at last, I'm going to add another record. Shirt and the price is 2,500. Then press the add button. You see, third record also added successfully. So I will at the download link for this sample Excel worksheet. Then you can download by following that link. So you can please check the video description. So there I'll include the link to download this template, Excel template. So let's meet with another video like this. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much.